Good day, kids! Welcome to our new normal classroom. I am your virtual teacher and I'm here to teach you math. So before we start, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. So for our lesson for today, we're going to discuss about the divisibility rules. Let's have an activity. Read each statement carefully and answer it with yes or no. Divide 10 by 5. Is there a remainder? No. Can we divide 10 by 2? The answer is yes. Can we divide 20 by 4? The answer is yes. When we say divisible, it means it can be divided. Example, 4 is divisible by 2. 30 is divisible by 6. 15 is divisible by 3. 100 is divisible by 10. So we have here the divisibility rules. Divisibility rules by 2. The number is divisible by 2 if the last digit of the given number is even. Example, 48. The ones digit is even, therefore 48 is divisible by 2. Let us check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, and 48. So 48 is a multiple of 2, therefore 48 is also divisible by 2. Example, so I have here 24. 4 is an even number, therefore 24 is divisible by 2. Another one, 16. 6 is also an even number, therefore 16 is also divisible by 2. Another example, 18. 18 is an even number because it ends with 8. Therefore, 18 is also divisible by 2. Another example, 500. 500 ends with 0. 0 is an even number. Therefore, 500 is also divisible by 2. Divisibility rules by 3. The number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits are divisible by 3. Example, 18. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 18 is also divisible by 3. Okay, let us keep count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. We can see that 18 is here if we skip count. Therefore, 18 is divisible by 3. Another example, 24. So let us add the digits. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 24 is also divisible by 3. Another example, 123. Let's add the digits. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Plus 3, we have 6. 6 is also divisible by 3. Therefore, 123 is also divisible by 3. Another example, we have here 54. Let's add the digits. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 is also divisible by 3. Therefore, 54 is also divisible by 3. Divisibility rules by 4. The number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4. Example, 116. The last two digits are 16. 16 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 116 is also divisible by 4. Okay, let us keep count. We have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96, 100, 104, 108, 112, and 116. Okay, as we can see, 116 is a multiple of 4. Therefore, 116 is also divisible by 4. Another example, we have here 88. The last two digit is 88. When we divide 88 to 4, 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Bring down 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So 88 is also divisible by 4. Therefore, 88 is also divisible by 4. Another example, 124. So the last digits here is 24. So when 24 is also divisible by 4. So therefore, 124 is also divisible by 4. Divisibility rules by 5. The number is divisible by 5 if the digit ends with 0 or 5. Example, 70. 70 ends with 0, therefore 70 is also divisible by 5. Let us keep count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, and 70. So therefore, 70 is also divisible by 5. Another example, I have here 85. So 85 ends with 5. Therefore, 85 is also divisible by 5. Another example, 105. 105 ends with 5. Therefore, 105 is also divisible by 5. Another example is 70. 70 ends with 0. Therefore, 70 is divisible by 5. Another example is 900. 900 ends with 0. Therefore, 900 is also divisible by 5. Divisibility rules by 6. The number is divisible by 6 if the number is even and if the sum of the digits are divisible by 3. Example, 126. 126 is an even number. 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 126 is divisible by 6. Let us check. 126 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Bring down 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 times 6 is equal to 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So therefore, 126 is divisible to... So therefore, 126 is divisible by 6. Another example, 24. So 4 is an even number. Then 24, when we add 24, we have 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so therefore 24 is also divisible by 6. Another example is 36. So 6 is an even number. 36 is an even number. When we add them, the digits, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 36 is also divisible by 6. Divisibility rules by 8. The number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Example, 1,640. The last 3 digits are 640. 640 is divisible by 8. Therefore, 1,640 is also divisible by 8. Let us check. 1,640 divided by 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. Bring down 4. 4 divided by 8 is 0. 0 times 8 is equal to 0. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Bring down 0. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. 40 minus 40 is equal to 0. So therefore, 1,640 is also divisible by 8. Another example, 1,032. So 1,032, the last digits are 32. So when we divide 32 to 8, 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. 32 minus 32. 32 is divisible by 8. Therefore, 1,032 is also divisible by 8. Okay, another example. We have 4,056. So the last 3 digits here are 56. 056. So 56 is also divisible by 8. So therefore, 4,056 is also divisible by 8. Divisibility rules by 9. The number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits are divisible by 9. Example, 54. So when we add the digits, we have 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 54 is divisible by 9. Let us keep count. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and 54. So 54 is also a multiple of 9. Therefore, 54 is also divisible by 9. Okay, another example. We have 135. So when we add the digits, 1 plus 3 plus 5, it is equal to 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 135 is also divisible by 9. Another example, we have 675. So 6 plus 7 plus 5. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 plus 5. So we have 18. 18 is also divisible by 9. Therefore, 675 is also divisible by 9. Divisibility rules by 10. The number is divisible by 10 if the digit ends with 0. Example, 70. 70 ends with 0, therefore 70 is divisible by 10. Let us keep count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. So 70 is also a multiple of 10, therefore 70 is divisible by 10. Another example, we have here 300. 300 ends with 0, therefore 300 is divisible by 10. Another one, we have here 540. 540 ends with 0, therefore 540 is divisible by 10. Another one, we have 100. 100 ends with 0, therefore 100 is divisible by 10. Another one, we have 1,320. It ends with 0, therefore 1,320 is divisible by 10. Activity. Put a check if the number given is divisible by the number in the parentheses. Cross out if not. A. 75. Is 75 divisible by 9? It is not divisible by 9. Letter B. 36. Is 36 divisible by 6? Yes, it is. It is divisible by 6. Letter C. 324. Is it divisible by 8? It's not divisible by 8. Letter D. 155. Is it divisible by 5? Yes, it's divisible by 5. Letter E. 234. Is it divisible by 3? The answer is yes. Letter F. 104. Is it divisible by 4? The answer is yes. Letter G. 215. Is it divisible by 2? The answer is no. Letter H. 110. Is it divisible by 10? The answer is yes. So, thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I am your virtual teacher. Goodbye!